What's going on, DIY car guys? It's Tyler here, and I'm with Nat. Look what we got here. A little LS carbureted nitrous motor. Well, it's a bone stock bottom end, and he says he wants to put a 300 shot through this just to see what it will do. Are you sure you want to do that?
If it blow, it blow, man. Let's do it, boss.
Hey, but today we're getting this carburetor set up right because look at this right here. If you look at this, yeah, she's a little fat on idle or something, so we're gonna figure it out. We know this carburetor's too big. Y'all see my videos, so we're gonna put a 750 main body on there and get it right. So that's what we're doing today. So if you guys look right here, you can see that she was definitely unhappy, and these are the wrong plugs as far as I know, because the ones you're supposed to use are going to have, no, this is not a nitrous plug because it's a projected tip, but they're cheap. We're just gonna get this thing running decent today until he gets a brand new main body or carburetor, because that 950 is too big. So I'm not an LS expert, but I'm pretty sure that those heads are made for a non-gasket seal. They're like this, because these are the ones that, we looked them up, these are the ones that are supposed to put in. These are the exact same ones you put into an LT1, so they're very similar, and you don't use a gasket. All right, man, start it up for these viewers so they can hear this thing purr. So obviously the old girl needs a little bit of work. We're waiting for it to cool off, pull a plug, or we can check some timing. You're saying it was kind of laboring, right, down low?
Yep.
We'll get it right. Uh-oh, a laptop, y'all. I understand. All right, y'all, check this out. So I want you to just hold the gas pedal to the floor, don't let up. You not even open the secondaries. You only open the front one. All right, we'll fix that real quick. That might be your whole problem right there.
Thank you, man. Thank you.
All right, so basically, we're gonna clean this up right here because that's looking kind of crazy. And then we're gonna move this back so he has full throttle inside the cab. And I bet you she's gonna haul butt this time because she had no throttle. Hey, the front blade goes like this, it was like this. So the back was never, ever opening up.
What would I do without you, boss, man? I really appreciate you, man.
No problem, man.
Make sure you guys like and subscribe, man. This guy's a beast, man. I promise you, this guy's a beast, man. He ain't been here for 30 minutes, man. I'm already in good shape, man. So I definitely appreciate it, man.
No
Go ahead and
problem,
check him out. Like and subscribe, fellas.
Hey, I'm working on these LS's, so I want to learn all these different motors. Did a Mopar not too long ago, a little 74 Duster. That thing is pretty awesome. So The more I work on, the more I learn. For you guys too.
Yes, sir.
So Nat just went out and he picked up a new cable because obviously we're not even gonna try to salvage this bad boy right here. I don't think we can make it work. It's just gonna replace it. You can tell that this is a racing family. They got race cars everywhere. So the Chevy little S10 over there, Mr. Sparkles, is pretty happy.
I kept saying to myself, I said, man, this thing don't feel right, man. I said, I could tell the difference from a 5.3 and a 6.0. I feel like I went a backwards way, man.
Nah, it should be pretty good now.
Hell yeah. I definitely appreciate it.
You got a knife to open up that thing up?
Yes, sir.
The cable out there. Oh yeah, full throttle time. So before, when he bought the car from this gentleman, they had this guy all whacked up, and that's why it was unframed. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this. See, that goes in there perfectly. We're going to drill a hole in it. We're gonna drill a hole in it right here. That way we can feed this in right here, the small end, but then keep this one so it stays out there and doesn't get all binded up. Because essentially the same thing they have in these kits, but we can't connect that one to his gas pedals. So that's what we're doing. All right, scratch that. Since this kit came with one of these and we're already gonna use one that's on the car, we'll use this like so. All right, so we're gonna take this right here. All right. Then take this right here. Oh, get on there. Then, I hope this is the right one. Then take this one right here. Pull it through. And then we can screw this guy on right here. And that will be how we keep it right there. This is the only thing that sucks about this is this. That bar feels lovely.
Yeah, y'all see everything that goes into a race car, don't you?
This is the shit that sucks right here. If you had a lift, you could just reach up from the bottom, but...
Hell yeah.
There we go. About to get on it now. Come on.
This is doing stuff the right way, man. Definitely appreciate it.
All right, there you go. We good? That's on. You got it. You got long arms.
Yes, sir.
Hell yeah. See it? Slowly pull it. Slowly pull it. Keep on going. Keep on going. There you go. All right. Good. It's got little things to work out, but we're getting there. We're getting there. Yeah, it's breaking up a little bit. Yeah. It's flooding.
Oh, like up and down in it?
That's what's going on. That's why it's bothering. So we gotta fix that.
Bro came down here, man. short notice, man. Pulled up himself. I didn't have to come to him, man. He came down here and took care of me, man. The car is night and day, man.
Hey, it still ain't there right, but we'll get there. We gotta replace these because they're kind of burnt. The carburetor was flooding. Needs a fuel filter right here, but it's getting there. It's getting
there, man. The boss man gonna get me there, man. So I appreciate you, man. Make sure you like and subscribe, man. It's the guy to go to, man. I'm telling you. Let's get it.
All right, so we are back at the house. Let me put the GoPro down. I've kind of learned that when you're at people's houses working on cars, don't bring the bigger cameras. The GoPro is just fine. So, I got something for you, Nat. Right here. I think this is going to be a great candidate. Let me go ahead and get it out real quick. What we have here is an 830 CFM Holley double pumper. I got to get a couple more gaskets. I rebuilt it to this point, but I was just talking to Nat, and I was thinking that, you know, this guy might actually work really good on his 5.3 LS, so he doesn't buy any more parts. We can try this one, and if this one works great, he's going to pick it up from me. It has annular boosters, and I think that it, like I said, I think it might work. Only way to know is to test it out and tune it to see how big the jets go. So you guys stay tuned for that. We're going to throw this on his 5.3 and we'll see how it works. Until then, peace.